Recently, I built this rather insane water-cooled Xbox 360, and today, as per request, we're going to be playing some games on it. We're currently playing some Battlefield 3. In the top left you can see the temps and for how long the game has been running. I was having issues with screen tearing before. I think it's okay now. So basically the plan is to play 20 or 30 minutes of each game, cut it down to 1.5 to 2 minutes each, and then move on to the next one straight after. That way the console will warm up and we'll be able to see how it handles a longer gaming session. That looks real nice. Hopefully we can get on top of the buildings and take a better look. Oh, those God rays are nice. Or the light rays. Sort of reminds me of that Dying Light 1 mission we were inside the school. That mission was pretty intimidating. There seems to be a minimal amount of screen tearing, and there's not much more I can do, so I'm just going to have to deal with it, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm not much of a shooter military game player. I'm more of a... I prefer open world survival. That's my preference. I can't see, my studio lights are blinding the dark spots. Okay, I got it. Oh shoot, there's a guy right there. I won't be playing the entire game to get you guys a preview, but yeah, I'll just be playing a little bit. If you guys do want more gaming videos on like crazy consoles that I'm building or modding, then just let me know. It's a lot of time to allocate and I'm terrible at gaming videos. But I'm so bad at the commentating side of things. So maybe one day. Go, 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 boom. One down. Two down. Third guy down. Now there's the guy, yep. Okay, we got him. And there's two guys up here. That's him. And that's him. Okay, that was the quickest I've done that. There's going to be some contrast here, but let's move on to some Skyrim. It will look a little bit different, and then we'll move on to Black Ops 1. Now, forgive me here, but I've never actually played Skyrim. I did maybe 8 years ago at a friend's house using their... Oh.
Hey, you. You're finally awake.
This is a bit awkward. I can't actually hear the game sound, but you guys can. So I'll just have to pretend. But yeah, my laptop is just out of frame here where I'm recording the game. So that's why I'm looking at it. The game looks absolutely insane, right?
What in oblivion is that?
That looks awesome.
Hear something?
The Empire is expecting that. What? Yeah. See. You win. I said. An old story.
Oh, I think we might be getting to the open world part now. We made it. Okay, console's rendering a lot right now, so it should be at
Hello there,
temple, something. Oh, let's move on to the next game. Okay, so now we're playing some Call of Duty Black Ops 1. I played this maybe 8 or so years ago. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, I hope the Skyrim footage wasn't too bad. I accidentally combined my laptop's microphone input with the game sound input, and it kind of mashed them together so it didn't sound too good, and I couldn't reshoot that. And so for Crysis 3, I'll be playing that for, well, I won't be playing, but for a couple hours I'll let it run. And hopefully it doesn't crash. By the way, the screen recording is still at 60 frames a second. I don't remember if it's downscaled to 720p or if it's remaining at 1080p, but should make too much of a difference. This bar scene is quite memorable. That's the main reason. Right, let's get into it. And not sure if I mentioned this because it probably didn't get saved in the recording, but the best part about the sleeper Xbox build over the previous Watercooled Xbox build is just the fact that I can switch games so much easier. Before, I'd actually have to bring the console to the edge of a table because the disc drive was angled in a way that the disc would sort of like hit the table. But with this, it's just like a PC. It's so good. Okay, that's that. Now these guys. Damn it, I can't see them. I'm just a sponge, mate. A magnet for all these bullets. Okay, now we're just making a run for it. Go, go, go! Through the field. These controllers are pretty old. Wow, that's Grim. Alright, so it's going to give us a cutscene now, so let's move on to Borderlands. Now, I haven't played Borderlands, but I've heard some good things about it, so I'm pretty excited. Oh yeah, I don't know if it's cell shading, but the graphics in this game are actually really nice. I think similar to Lethal Company, this might be completely false. Ooh, strange looking dog. Gearbox. I'm getting a sense of deja vu. Watch both ways, buddy. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, this game will definitely push the Xbox. Not as much as Crysis 3, but it'll be up there. Once again, if you guys have any feedback at all on this style of video, please let me know. So I can only improve one way, and that's by either doing it or having you guys comment. Ooh, sensitivity is a bit higher than I'd like. Okay, luckily the aim assist is pretty nice. Can I melee him? Yeah, I love it when controls are universal. Oh, I've got a bit of momentum there. Okay, this feels really good. Oh, this has really good sights. I'm on 5 HP. Ow. 1 HP, 1 HP. No, 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 no. Reload, 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 reload. Critical. Nice, nice, nice. Get him, get him. Please. Fight for my life. Okay, can we take him out quick? We got him. Second chance. Nice. I have 5 ammo. I have no ammo. Level up. Sweet. I've probably missed something. I did run ahead. Can I go in here? Oh. Oh, it's a... Okay, we're currently playing Crysis 3. Turns out I forgot to turn on my audio recording equipment. That is quite annoying. The plan is to find a graphically intense area and then leave the game running for a few hours. You may be wondering why the temperature sensor, the temperature monitor is static. That is because it is a time lapse for 3 hours for 15 seconds per image. I think that's all the information. Unless I've forgotten something. Probably have. Alright, this is where I'll stay, and I'll check back on the game every 20 or so minutes. I was able to keep Crysis 3 running for just under 3 hours, although I'm sure it could go for much longer. It's just the console wanted to turn off due to inactivity. I tried using a rubber band to keep the controller moving, and that seemed to work. Here are the max coolant temps for each game. This is not a representation of how hot the actual SoC is, which is certainly much higher. The console seemed to perform well, and it's still easy to use, which is good. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again soon.